A forgotten legend sits in the shadows, buried under decades of dust and neglect. Today, we bring it back to the light. The journey of 1,000 miles begins, washing away 40 years of grime, revealing the true state of the metal underneath. Rust is the enemy. It's everywhere, floors, quarters, and the frame itself. Stripping it down to the bare bones, every bolt tells a story of the past. The original V8, greasy, seized, but full of untapped potential. Draining the old lifeblood, black oil meets the pan for the last time. Off comes the hardtop. The iconic silhouette begins to change. Out with the old seats. The foam is gone, but the frames remain. Disconnecting the gauges, the heart of the cockpit comes apart.
Time for the heavy lifting. The V8 is coming out. An empty canvas. Now we can see the real work ahead. Separating the soul from the chassis, body off frame. The frame is solid, but the scale is heavy. We need bare metal. Sandblasting begins, scouring away the sins of the past.
Clean steel, a perfect foundation for a masterpiece. Sealing the steel, epoxy primer ensures the rust never returns. Old leaf springs and shocks, they've served their time. Tearing down the Dana 44, new gears, new seals, new life. Upgrading to a modern lift, better clearance, better ride.
Back to the body. Sparks fly as we cut out the rot. Precision is key, lining up the new steel panels. Stitching it back together, fire and steel becoming one. Making it seamless, smoothing the welds until they disappear. New floors for a new beginning, no more holes.
Perfection is in the details, shaping the lines with care. Hours of sanding, feeling the curves with every stroke. The guide coat reveals every high and low spot. Final prep, it must be perfectly smooth before the booth. Taping off the world, only the Bronco remains.
The cleanest room in the shop, ready for color. The final barrier. Sealer goes on before the magic happens. Choosing the soul. Electric blue with a vintage twist. The transformation begins. Blue mist transforms the metal. Watching the flakes dance under the lights.
Deep, wet, and glossy, the clear coat brings the depth. A new skin, the Bronco has never looked this good. Chasing a mirror finish, removing every speck of dust. Body meets frame, the Bronco is a truck once more. Dropping in the power, a modern 5.0 Coyote swap.
Pairing the power, the 4-speed transmission goes in. Connecting the dots, power to the wheels. Precision plumbing, stainless steel mines for stopping power. A new high-capacity tank, ready for the long haul. The nervous system, modern wiring for modern reliability.
Keeping it cool, oversized aluminum radiator. Creating the growl, custom stainless steel exhaust. Moment of truth, will the Coyote howl? It's alive, the sound of pure American muscle. Rebuilding the cockpit, digital gauges in a vintage shell.
Taking control, tilt column for modern comfort. New pedals, every touch point feels like new. Silence is golden, lining the floors with heat and sound protection. Adding the comfort, deep black plush carpet. Luxury meets utility, hand-stitched saddle leather. Room for friends, the rear bench matches the front. Keeping the elements out, new rubber all around. Clear vision, installing the new tempered glass. The mechanical feel, chrome handles for that vintage touch. The face of the Bronco, bright white grille for that classic contrast.
Modern eyes, LED halos for the night. Seeing the red, iconic rectangular lenses. The finishing armor, freshly dipped chrome. Looking back with style, stainless steel mirrors. The badge of honor, Ford Bronco.
The right stance, polished wheels for a classic look. All-terrain meat, 33-inch tires ready for mud or street. Standing tall, the Bronco is finally on its own feet. Wide hips, adding the black flares for a rugged look. Freedom, a black safari top for those summer days.
Safety first, a powder-coated 6-point cage. Storage and sound, a custom locking console. Hidden tech, Bluetooth audio for the trail. Securing the beast, stainless steel hood pins. Rain or shine, new stainless wiper arms. The little things, a billet aluminum gas cap. Protection underneath, tough bed liner for the wheel wells. Quiet power, custom heat shield under the hood. Jewelry for the motor, braided lines and chrome covers. The last one, hundreds of hours leading to this moment. Removing the fingerprints, it's time for the world to see. Finishing touches, making the rubber pop. Not a speck of dust left. That new old car smell, pure luxury. Behold, the 1970 Bronco, reborn and ready.
Classic lines, modern soul, a masterpiece of metal. A cabin you never want to leave. That solid, classic sound, built to last another 50 years. Leaving the shop, the first mile of a new life. Smooth power, the Coyote swap was worth every penny.
It's not a trailer queen, it's a Bronco. Effortless torque, nothing stands in its way. Perfection found, the ultimate adventure machine. Those LED halos cutting through the dark. Modern tech, vintage feel.
This is why we do it, the joy of the drive. From a rusted shell to a street legend. 460 horsepower of pure American freedom. One last look at a dream turned into reality. What should we restore next? Comment below and subscribe for more.